Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to mute words on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the web version on your PC. This is a quick way to keep your timeline and notifications free from things you'd rather not see, especially with the new update that changed where these options are located. First, open x.com and sign into your account. Once you're on your homepage, look to the left side of your screen and click on the More icon. It's the one with 3 dots in a circle. This will open a list of extra options for your account. From there, go to Settings and Privacy. Inside that section, choose Privacy and Safety. This is where you'll find all the tools to control what you see and what others can share with you. Next, click on Mute and Block. This area allows you to manage muted accounts, blocked users, and now muted words. Select muted words to open the page where you can add or manage your list. To add a new word, click the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen. A pop-up window will appear. Now, type the word or phrase you want to mute. It could be anything you don't want to read in your feed or receive notifications about. Below that, you'll see a few options you can adjust. Under Mute From, decide whether you want the word muted from your home timeline, your notifications, or both. You can also choose if you want the mute to apply to anyone or only to people you don't follow. Then select the duration. You can mute it for 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, or forever. Once you've set everything up the way you like, click Save. The word will now appear in your muted words list, and X will automatically hide any posts or notifications containing it. That's it. You've just learned how to mute words on X using the web version. It's a simple but powerful feature that helps you take control of what appears on your feed and makes your browsing experience a lot more peaceful.